PineSol can damage some surfaces if applied directly instead of using an intermediary like a cotton ball or cloth. PineSol is a concentrated cleaner that contains solvents and fragrances which can interact with finishes and porous materials, so always start by identifying the surface type and its finish. For sealed hard floors such as tile or finished hardwood, dilute PineSol according to the label and apply with a microfiber mop or a well-wrung cloth to avoid puddling. Never pour full-strength solution directly onto the surface. For unsealed wood, natural stone such as marble or limestone, painted surfaces or fabrics, spot test an inconspicuous area and wait at least 24 hours to check for discoloration or finish loss before wider use. When removing sticky residues or grime from metal hardware or plastic trim, apply PineSol to a cotton ball or folded cloth and dab gently rather than soaking the piece. This limits solvent exposure and helps control how much product reaches crevices. If you need stronger action, repeat controlled dabbing and blot with a clean, dry cloth between applications instead of increasing concentration. Always rinse surfaces that contact food or children with clear water after cleaning and ventilate the area to disperse fumes. 3 common mistakes are applying PineSol full strength to sensitive surfaces which can strip finishes, leaving pooled cleaner on horizontal surfaces which leads to staining or softening of materials, and failing to rinse so residue causes tackiness or attracts dirt. For finish stripping, stop immediately, wipe with a damp cloth, and restore with a manufacturer recommended finish or call a professional for refinishing if needed. If pooling occurs, mop up excess, rinse the area, and dry thoroughly while avoiding heat which can set stains. For residue problems, perform a full rinse with warm water and a neutral pH cleaner and repeat spot tests on similar surfaces before future use. BigHomeProjects.com connects homeowners and contractors around home care topics like safe cleaning practices and surface protection, and we help users find local contractors who are looking for work. We also host a discussion community where we and others share experiences, ask questions, and swap practical tips.